If you're all pumped up to go play Pokemon Go and it's not working for you, here are some ways you can troubleshoot that and get back in the game in no time. The first is just to close the app and open it again. To do that, you just hold the line on the bottom of your Android phone, find your Pokemon app, and just swipe up like that. Then you go back to your desktop on your Android phone, click the Niantic Pokemon Go icon on your app screen, and there you go. It's up and running again. If closing the app and opening it back up again didn't work, you can try updating the app from the Google Play Store. To do that, you go to the Google Play Store right there. You're going to click on your name up in the top, and then click on Apps. Manage Apps and Device right there. And check for updates. So you go in here to Updates, and if you see the Pokemon Go app listed there with an update, you're going to click on that and just update the app. Another issue may be with your GPS, so your location settings in your phone. So to do that, to check on that, you go into your settings on your phone, and then you're going to go to Apps. And then you're going to look for the Pokemon Go app. You click on the Pokemon Go app. Within here, you go to Permissions and then Location. Click on Location. So it says allow while using the app, use precise location. It looks all of that like all the right things are turned on, so that's probably not your issue. Another issue may just be that there's no Pokemon near you where you're at. If you're in an urban area with a lot of foot traffic, typically there's a lot of Pokemon. If you're in like a suburban or rural area, you may not see any right there. So maybe it's just your actual location. So just get out there, drive to a city, go somewhere else and look for those Pokemon. Still not having luck, you may want to see if Pokemon Go itself is down. Maybe their whole business has crashed or offline or something like that. The easiest way to check on that is go to downdetector.com and then search for Pokemon. So right here you can see in the last 24 hours all the time when it's gone down. If it's currently down, you can see the problems right there. And so it might not be you, it might be them. So, kind of like the breakup, it's not you, it's me, like George Costanza likes to say. If you're still having issues, you can go to the Niantic support website. Niantic's the company that owns Pokemon Go, created it. So you're having issues, you've tried all these things, nothing's working, go to the support website, fill out your question, send it in, and hopefully you'll have luck. Someone will get back to you and fix the problem. I hope you're able to get out there and continue playing Pokemon Go, have a great time. I like the AR version just to kind of see what's going on around you. It's kind of fun. If you like this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again soon.